Good morning, T-Wolves. Hope you all had a relaxing spring break. Please stand and join us in listening to the national anthem and reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Congrats to the seniors who won Spirit Ball Friday before the break. If you missed the epic event, you can watch it by selecting the read more link on the slide on the web, or by visiting the T-Wolf television YouTube channel.
Interested in the basketball at THS? Don't miss the boys basketball parent-player meeting tonight at 6 p.m. in the Little Theater.
Up next, Mr. Murphy with Student of the Week presentations.
All right, guys, Student of the Week. We actually have Austin Roundy, who was nominated as well, who's not here this morning, but I'm here with Josh Olson, who is a sophomore graduating class of 2017. Josh, congratulations on Student of the Week. You were nominated by?
Mr. Collette.
Okay, so no pressure here. Mr. Collette's filming this, but no pressure. Tell us what you like about Mr. Collette, maybe his class, anything specific.
That he's like really honest to every student, and how he just tells you out straight, and
so he's pretty straight up with you, and
yeah.
Okay, so you know where you stand.
Yeah, and I like his class because I'm the TA, and I get to help out a lot with that. And
what class is it?
It's a construction technology class.
Okay, what do you like about construction tech?
It's just really fun to do everything like in there and with the students.
Okay.
And
so Josh, you graduate in a little over 2 years. What's your plan after high school, post secondary? Where are you headed?
I'm not really sure yet, but I was looking into like the designing and stuff like that.
Designing
prosthetics and stuff.
Okay, awesome. So, guys, Josh is working on that vision. Sophomores, class of 2017, class of 2016. Everyone here at Timpanogos High School should have or work toward right now a vision of where you want to head post-secondary education or some kind of specialized training. Josh, congratulations. Nice job, Student of the Week. Way to go.
Anyone interested in wrestling? There will be a team information meeting on Wednesday, April 15th at 2:30 p.m. in the wrestling room.
Good luck to our girls golf team at Mountain View and the softball team here at home against Murray this afternoon. Go T-Wolves. For T-Wolf TV, I'm Savannah.
I'm Emily.
I'm Ellen.
Have a great day, T-Wolves.
Don't tell 'em, you ain't need, don't tell 'em, you ain't even gotta tell 'em, don't